Hadian baga Meghalaya Lokayukta kalapa notice jau Chief Secretary Barim Gajalla but kiwei ki he officer Barim Halor ka Jingtohkit penan kam baklaya ya scheme I boarding electric shaki nong kat kum bapau na ka kaipot jang ka Comptroller and Auditor General of India CAG on social and economic sectors na ka bentaus nam mang tingka arjar iwei arjar arpuar umentri rang ba Gajalla ukonrat ki sang ma habakan tho Halor kani ulaong bau I ha ka Jingtohkit ka Lokayukta Kumban Shukudau, Halor ketika kaipot uba Adelbert Nongrum MLA ka Voice of the People Party, ulabu ujor hakmat ka Meghalaya Lokayukta ka palaphat notice syakitegi officer da ka baong. Bakalayu ya ka Jingujor haka khat artari ujellio arja arpusaw, ka bakala ujor hapo ka section 13(1)(e, jong ka Prevention of Corruption Act kat kandai spa prapupra. Ka Lokayukta ka labu ban sngap ya ka Jingmudoi haka arpulai tri naitung arja arpusaw, but kumban pen kan mau bau ba Adelbert haka Jingmudoi ula ujor persya yu Additional Chief Secretary in charge of Power Barim, baru Chairman cum Managing Director Barim ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL, Halor ka Jingtohkit don keti Bamsap. Nang taki officer Barim ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited MEPDCL, haka bau ba Adelbert Nongrum ula kedau, but kentup yu Director Distribution, Chief Engineer Distribution, Chief Engineer Rural Electrification, Company Secretary, Chief Accounts Officer, Deputy Chief Accounts Officer, Additional Chief Engineer Material Management, but Additional Chief Engineer Planning and Design.
Number one, we have already been very clear that there is nothing that we have to hide. We have already gone ahead with all the different processes that have been asked by different members of the Legislative Assembly. So number one, we are clear that there is nothing. But on the other hand, if the honourable members have approached the Lokayukta will follow the procedure, and I'm nobody to comment on the inquiry and the process that is made by the Lokayukta. So that process will continue, and we'll have to wait till the final report comes out from it.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Haka bam bangi bam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya